This video demonstrates how to take a screen capture using Mozilla FireFox Browser. So either install the browser if you don't have it already installed on your device. And what you do is when you visit a web page or a PDF document or a Word document and you want to take a screen capture of so much content, there's different ways that you can do this. So what I'm going to show you is the snip and I suppose or the screenshot capture is if you select the three little dots and go take a screenshot. So if I was to take a screenshot, I can take what's visible inside the page right now. Or if I wish to take the full web page, I select full web page, and what it does is it captures the whole web page in front of me. Whereas screen capturing, it might, you might need maybe 3 or 4 screen captures, whereas this just takes one big long page. Now, as I said, you can do it in Word and PDF. And you can download it. So if I hit download, what it does is when it goes into my downloads, in my downloads folder, I can see here, I can open it. It's an image file. And when I open the image file, if you put your finger on control on your keyboard and zoom in, it allows me, I suppose, to kind of zoom in on the document itself. So a really quick, useful tip to take screen captures, which might be useful for students for submission or even for you for your content for student work.